So we got some big news today, guys. Not sure if you saw it regarding Palantir that we have to break down in this video. And of course, like we always do, we're going to break down the charts, what I'm looking to do, and overall where my head's at in this crazy market. But first, get up to 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. And listen to this, guys, the new part of the promo. Fund your account with at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, which, guys, it's a no-brainer, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it, man. What a day so far for Palantir, for the stock market. Again, we got some news that we have to cover. It's been pretty nuts, right? To give you guys some perspective, the S&P is currently up 1.3%, the Nasdaq's up 1.8%, the Dow's up 1.1%, and the Russell's up around 0.75%, as we're pretty much smack dab in the middle of the day as I'm making this video. It's about 12:30 p.m. on the East Coast, and Palantir, guys, almost forgot, is up almost 3%. We're trading over $71 per share, and we were almost at $72 per share about an hour ago. Yeah, we hit 71.65 at about 11:30 a.m. on the East Coast, and we're heading in the right direction, guys. PLTR has been reversing over the last couple of days, as have a lot of stocks and the entire stock market, right? So PLTR this week has gone from $64 on Monday, it looks like, to where we are now, $71. That's a $7 move, or about 11%. Not too bad if you ask me, guys, considering how beaten up the stock got in the short term. I mean, look, we went from 84 all the way down to 63. That was about a 25% drop. It lost a quarter of its value, guys. That's a pretty substantial pullback in the short term. I mean, it lasted, what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks? It went down 25%. And now we're starting to climb out here. We have a golden cross actually in the making on the 1 hour time frame. You guys see that right here, which is a good sign. And we're above both moving averages as well on this time frame. And look at this. On the 4 hour chart, now we're at literally the moment of truth level of resistance, as I like to call it, right? You guys see right here, we held $71 as support from the early days of December all throughout about a week ago, 10 days ago. We held 71, then we broke through it. It became resistance, and we're at it right now, $71. And I'm telling you guys, if PLTR gets out of here, momentum could catch quick, or momentum could build up quick, right? This could catch fire and start pushing mid-high 70s like that, in my opinion, right? Easily, especially if the markets continue moving, especially if the S&P, Nasdaq keep on trucking along, going towards all-time highs again. I have no doubts Palantir will be back in the mid-low, or the low-mid 70s in the short term if that happens. And we have earnings coming up, guys. Earnings are coming up, I think, on the 3rd of February. Yeah, 3rd of February after the bell. And, man, if we get this pop out of these, out of this key resistance before that point, maybe we rally into earnings. That's a real possibility at this point. But, yeah, great way to wrap up the week here, guys. It's not done yet at the time I'm making this video. But, it's shaping up beautifully. Let's just say that. Indexes are up. Palantir's up. We're about to break out of this key level. I couldn't be more happy to wrap up this week, man. I'm loving the way we're looking right now. So let me pull up this article quickly to go over this news. But while I do that, you guys know what I'm saying, make sure to get into the email list, guys. Every Monday, I'm sending out my top 3 stocks directly to your email, and guess what? The beautiful thing is it's free, no charge. Put your first name, your email address in the description box using that link, also pinned in the comment section, and you're in there, baby. You're in there like swimwear, like they say, right? So Palantir to invest in drone startup Shield AI at $5 billion at a $5 billion valuation. Let's come down here a little bit. This is on investing.com. So let's see. Palantir Technologies is in discussions to invest in Shield AI as the drone startup was set to nearly double its valuation to $5 billion in a new fundraising round. The information reported on Friday, today, citing sources, and this potential investment aligns with Palantir's strategic focus on enhancing its AI capabilities within the defense sector. And the San Diego startup, which develops AI-driven software for autonomous drones and aircrafts, is in the process of raising approximately $200 million, and the funding is expected to come from defense and aerospace firms, including Palantir, Airbus Group SE, and L3 Harris Technologies, and this came from Financial Times. They reported this today on Friday, citing sources familiar with the matter and venture capital firms such as, I'm sure you heard of, Andreessen Horowitz, Point 32 or 72, excuse me, and Riot Ventures are also anticipated to take part, according to the Financial Times. And as of now, Palantir has not publicly commented on these discussions, and further details about the potential investment remain undisclosed, according to the report. So they're in the process of raising approximately $200 million, which, I mean, that's a lot of money to, to retail investors, to, the average Joe people out there. But to companies, if you're looking at Palantir, Airbus, L3 Technologies, that's not that much money, man. These companies, well, I can't speak for Airbus or L3 Technologies. I haven't looked at their cash balances, their balance sheet or whatever, but I'm sure they have some cash, guys. Palantir definitely has cash. Their balance sheet is pretty strong, right? So $200 million is not much money, especially if you're getting it from a couple different companies. It's not much. So I'm curious to see the details of this investment. Obviously, we don't have that quite yet, but I want to see how much Palantir is investing and, what that could potentially turn into over the long term, as obviously this is a long-term play for Palantir, right? This investment, which we'll get the details, I guess, at some point in the future. But that's the big news. They're investing allegedly, or not allegedly, but reportedly, in this drone startup, Shield. What's it called again? Shield AI? Yeah, Shield AI. So that's exciting. I'm pretty pumped about that as a, shareholder. Full disclosure, I'm long Palantir. Excuse me, guys. Holy smokes. Probably a bad idea not drinking water during these videos, but yeah, I'm excited about that. And again, going back to the charts here, guys, I got to hammer this point in. Watch out for $71 to $72. I'm going to set my alert now at $71.50, and if that level breaks, guys, I'm telling you, more upside. We could be getting, back in this window right here, mid-high 70s, low-mid 70s initially. That's where we're going to be playing at. So I'm pumped. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe here to the main channel. We're almost at 50,000 subs. Check out my second channel, Stas Talks Money, almost at 1,000 subs, a new channel I started. That is linked down below. Feel free to subscribe to that as well and get your stocks from Moomoo. Up to 30 stocks. Open up your account. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, guys. I know it's crazy, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Use that link or go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.